Hello, this is Colleen McLain with the Central School District in Kansas City. With this tutorial, I want to show you how you can insert audio clips you record into Notebook. There are many reasons you might want to do this, but this sample will show how it benefits students to be able to hear the audio repeatedly. With my example, I'm going to link an audio file to a picture so that students can listen to the audio and then spell the word using the sounds that they hear. So let's look at how to set this up. First, you'll need some sort of audio recording software on your computer. I use Audacity, which is easy enough to download from the internet and also basic enough to figure out without much effort. You really don't need to know much about Audacity, only enough to start and stop recording and then export it as an MP3 file. And since it has control buttons similar to what might be on your DVD player, starting and stopping that recording is easy to figure out. What I'm going to do is start recording, I'll sound my word out, and then I'll stop recording. Bat. Next, I'll need to export this recording as an MP3 and save it somewhere. So I'll go to File, Export as MP3, and I'm just going to save it to my desktop so that I'll be able to find it again. I'm just going to click OK to this, and that's it. I've made my recording, I've exported it as an MP3. So now, back in Notebook, we need to insert this image. Since the word that I just recorded was bat, I'm going to do a search for bats. I'll go to my picture files and just find bat. I'm going to pull this one out. That's the one we're going to use. Now to embed the audio, I'll use the drop-down menu, go down to sound, and then here's where I need to navigate to the sound that I just recorded. Well, it's on my desktop, so I'll go back to my desktop, select my bat, click open, and then I need to decide, do I want to give it a corner icon or do I want the entire object to be linked? Well, I like the entire object to be linked. It gives small fingers more of an opportunity to actually hit what's actually linked. So click OK. I'm now ready to try this out. So I mentioned there would be benefits to students being able to listen to the audio recording repeatedly. In this example, the student will listen to the recording and pull up the first letter, then listen to the recording again and pull up the second letter, and so on. This allows the student to concentrate on one letter at a time, with the audio acting as a model when sounding out and spelling words.